Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and in today's lesson we'll learn about the 10 phrases of Italian every day. If you all want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day in your daily routine. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is Che tempo fa? Che tempo fa? What's the weather like? Che tempo? What's the weather? Fa like. What's the weather like? Next phrase is fa caldo. Fa caldo. It's hot. Fa means it's and caldo means hot. Fa caldo. It's hot. Our next phrase is fa freddo. It's cold. Freddo, cold. Caldo, hot. Repeat after me if you want. Che tempo fa? What's the weather like? Next one is fa caldo, it's hot. Fa freddo, it's cold. Our next phrase is è nuvoloso. È nuvoloso, it's cloudy. Nuvoloso, cloudy. Piove, it's raining. Piove, it's raining. Nevica, it's snowing. Nevica, snowing. Piove, raining. And nuvolozzo, cloudy. You can remember them easily because these are simple and short. If you want to, remember them, okay? If you are a new viewer to my channel, then please subscribe it for more helpful and short videos like this. I upload every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day for 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Now let's move on to our next phrases. Our next phrase is Mi piace fare fotografie. Fotografie. I like taking photos. Mi piace fare fotografie. I like taking photos. Our next phrase is Mi piace la natura. Mi piace la natura. I like nature. Mi piace, I like la natura, nature. Natura means in English, nature. Now repeat after me if you want. Mi piace fare fotografie. Mi piace, I like. Fare, taking. Fotografie, photos. Next one is Mi piace la natura. Mi piace la natura. I like nature. Our next phrase is Mi piace il silenzio. Silenzio. I like silence. Silenzio. In English, silence. And mi piace means I like. El silenzio, silence. Now repeat after me if you want. Silenzio, silence. Next phrase is Mi piace meditare. Meditare. I like meditating. Meditare. I like meditating. Mi piace. I like. Now I hope you all are familiar to mi piace. If you all remember this phrase, mi piace, I like. I like. Remember this today, okay? Mi piace meditare. I like meditating. Again, I'll post every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. So please subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. And if you are a beginner to Italian, then you will love this channel. And my channel name is Language with Sarah. Next phrase is Mi piace nuotare. Nuotare. I like swimming. Nuotare means in English swimming. Mi piace nuotare. I like swimming. Next one is Mi piace ascoltare musica. Mi piace ascoltare musica. I like listening to music. Ascoltare means in English listening and musica, music. Mi piace, I like. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Ciao, presto!